On the last episode, all right, first things first is gas. You better take that gas out of your gas tank. Um, I can't stress this step enough, bro. Uh, it's super important. Little star shaped thing. Yeah, it's a nice little socket. I like to have this thing around because most things need this star shape. It's a T25, by the way. Next, all right, now it's time for the push pin action. You know, a little push pin here, and then a little push pin here, boom, and then, oh yeah, I'm gonna need some lighting to show you the sides of the other stuff. But it's more push pins on the side. Let me Hey, what's going on, my beautiful people? It's your boy, it's Mr. 20 West in the building. I can't believe we're on like what video? We're on Carbon Project part 3? Like, yo, like this Carbon Project is really shaping out to be pretty well, man. Shout out to all 18 people that liked my last video. It's really 18. I watched the video like 4 times. Shout out to me, because you gotta support yourself sometimes. You guys are really real ones. And Leroy, I appreciate you for your support. I honestly do. You know, one thing about making content, bro, it's really some type of frustrating when you look and you see your views below and you're like, bro, I know I'm giving crispiness. I can feel the crispiness. Anyway, so last episode we did the ECU upload, right? Putting the ECU in. So I'm gonna run this clip right here. So, did you see my face? You know why my face was like that? Did you see the smoke? Okay, before I think I'm getting a little ahead of myself. Let me exactly show you how I ended up with that face. Let's go. All right, so this is my exhaust. I recently looked down there and I was like, what the hell is this, bro? So I just set out and started taking my exhaust off. Started from the headers and worked my little way on back to the freaking slip-on exhaust, and finally got it all off. Now this is a really important part. I really didn't want to skip this part. Make sure you block off or tape up your headers, the top part, the opening, so nothing like gets in, no bugs, no dust. You don't want none of that going through your motor, bro, because like it can get really ugly. I done seen some crazy stuff, so you just want to make sure that it's pretty good. Nothing gets in there. Next is the steel wool. This is to help the exhaust off. Um, I don't remember if I said this, but yeah, I'm using Coca-Cola to clean it off. Sounds insane, but I seen it and it kind of worked somewhere else. So you're probably asking yourself, bro, why do you have a half a bottle of Coca-Cola? It's not even a half. It's like the last of it. Because Coca-Cola is freaking delicious, bro. I could not help myself, but I had to drink most of the Coca-Cola. But I didn't need much to make this happen. Next, this is what is when it really gets a little dirty or a little sticky. You know what I mean? The Coca-Cola is really not something you can really work with because it's really, really sticky. But as long as you like really get into the grooves and really find your sweet spot and that good flow, I knew that I had to clean off the entire exhaust with this Coca-Cola. Try to get the rust stains off it. If you can see, it's kind of working, sort of, kind of, not like the best in the world. You know, it wasn't like I was like really putting some elbow grease in it, but I really wanted this Coca-Cola to get off majority of the rust stuff. I feel like I could have used like actual rust chemicals that help clean off pipes, but it started to do what it needed to do, and plus it left a sticky residue, which really helped that paint hold on to it pretty well. So this is my favorite part out of all of this stuff. This is where I actually paint the, the exhaust. Um, every great painter knows that most of the job of painting is the prep work. It's not the actual painting. Painting doesn't take that long. The prep work is what leads you up until this point. The type of spray that I'm using, it's specially made for exhaust. Don't think that this is like some spray paint. Don't go out there and purchase spray paint. I painted my exhaust with the reason I painted it was this helps fight against moisture that may seep in throughout the wrap. It's really important that I do this step because I'm never taking the wrap off ever again, and I do not plan on redoing this job ever again. At the end of the video, you will see why all of this work was kind of pointless, but not pointless at the same time. So yeah. Now since we got the exhaust painted, now it's time to throw the fiberglass heat wrap in some water. It's not suggested that you have to do it, but it is said that it sticks a lot better and holds a lot better and tighter. You can get it to hold a lot tighter on your exhaust if you let it soak in water for a long periods of time. So yeah. Right, time to heat wrap those. Well, not heat wrap, but well, yeah. Probably about to kill my battery on this one because it's extra hard. You gotta make sure you wrap it just right. I had my stuff sitting in the water. They say you keep it in there just because it'll help wrap better. I don't know. So I'm going to start right. I want to put that right here. Take this off now. Start right here. Alright, pipe already are wrapped up. Now I had to do it in 3 sections. So that's a section, this is a section, and then that's a section. It wasn't the easiest thing in the world. I had to wear gloves because I think some type of chemicals that they use to keep it dyed. You want to make sure that you got on gloves for the heat wrap. But yeah, we'll see how long it holds up against the heat. Now it's time to put the MT09 radiator guard on. See that on the bike. Bro, I'm so crazy. The reason they wear gloves is because it's fiberglass inside of the heat wrap, and without gloves, the fiberglass can enter your hand and grab onto your clothes, your pants, and stab you. It hurts. It's like sharp needles in your skin. It is very painful. So make sure you got good gloves when working with heat wrap. I'm so serious, bro. It was painful. All right, it's the first turn on. I'm turned on. Got everything Got everything plugged up now. Mind you, how it's looking right now is not how it's gonna be. I still haven't did the wrap yet, so here we go. If you see it smoking, it's cause I got water on it, on the headers to wrap it, so it's just getting hot. That's crazy. I figured it wasn't gonna be red long. That is the grill red. Like that, we're done. Now I'm pretty sure you want to ask me, like, Mr. 20 West, was it worth it to wrap it if it was gonna turn gold? Yes. Hell yes. Yes, yes, yes. Definitely. You should do it. It makes your bike look different. And it also, and I need you to pull out your phone, look up Google. I don't want you to think I'm crazy. It also adds horsepower to your bike. Yep, that's right. So not only is it stylish, unique, different, and you can spot your bike from any other bike, seriously. But it also has a performance upgrade too. So, as always, it's your boys, Mr. 20 West. Please like, comment, and subscribe. This uh, basically was a very good, I mean, Carbon Project is really upgrading my bike to a whole nother beast. And I really appreciate you guys following me on this journey. Yeah. So, peace, positive, and stay tuned for the next video. Ha! Yes, sir. Peace.
It's a picture. There we go. It's a picture and it's a video.